So for today's technique, I'm going to ask you to have a glass of water ready. We're going to be doing some guided meditation, some breathing, and I will also ask you to dip your fingers into the water at a certain point. So hopefully you feel comfortable with that. Hi, today we are going to be cleansing our emotions, our hearts with water. So I want you to just notice how you're feeling in this moment. Maybe place your left hand on your heart or both of your hands. Take a deep breath. Release through the mouth. And whenever you're ready to come to the water, I want you to hold it in front of you. You can look down at your water and first connecting with the water, giving thanks to the water for being here, to the water spirit for its medicine. And then I want you to set an intention with what is it that you're wanting the water to cleanse for you today. Whatever emotion is weighing heavy in your heart, in your body, in your spirit, tell that to the water. I am choosing to release, or I am choosing to cleanse and heal. Once you've done that, you can just bring your fingertips into the water. And then I want you to spray it all over your face, maybe tapping your chest, taking another deep breath. And then I want you to spray it all over your face, maybe tapping your chest, taking another deep breath, tapping any areas in the body that need that cleansing. Where does it feel heavy in the body? And then just notice how that feels. Continuing with your prayer, asking the water to help you cleanse and wash away this heaviness, this pain. And whenever that feels completed, take another deep breath. Release through the mouth. That is the end of the exercise. So I want you to just invite you and remind you to take as many deep breaths as you need. You can always come back and cleanse with the water medicine whenever you need it. This exercise is for anyone, all ages included. And it's for those moments when you feel heavy in your body and in your heart and your spirit. Doesn't matter what you're going through. If you need a moment to soothe yourself, you can always come back to this exercise. Thank you so much for joining me on this technique. I hope that it serves you. My name is Michelle Mojica. I'm a licensed clinical social worker in California. My specialty is working with first gen BIPOC folks who are wanting to incorporate Indigenous ancestral healing practices. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can definitely find me on the Latinx Directory website. I am currently accepting clients in the state of California, private pay only, or you can also reach me through my website at www.mariposaancestral.practices.com.